cartwheel to straddle handstand into half bridge drop. Start by going into a straddle handstand from a cartwheel. From there you are going to shift the weight onto one arm and drop with both feet into your half bridge. So shift the weight, push that base shoulder out and drop into your half bridge. Try your best to land with both feet together and try to finish by landing facing the direction that you're going. So kick up and drop down into your half bridge. Remember to keep the shoulders as elevated as possible, especially when leaning into that second arm before the drop. Try your best as well to extend the hips and reach down to the floor with the legs before you land, essentially creating that half bridge shape before you've even hit the floor. The more you can anticipate the floor and the landing, the better chance you're going to have of creating a smooth exit. Keep your eyes on the floor next to you so that you can spot your landing also.